All right, Trading Card Club live October 21st. Wednesday, we've got our 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time break. We've got 3 hangers and 2 blasters of the Mosaic football. Just going to give it a few minutes before we get started for some folks to join. We will get started about 2 minutes after. Again, this is the 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time break with 3 hangers and 2 blasters of Mosaic football. Alrighty, everybody, we will get started with the hangers and then we will move into the blasters. Alrighty, good luck to everybody. Let's get it going. Alrighty, Dan Marino, Nick Bosa, Sony Michel, Ryan Tannehill, Darius Slayton, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, Kerryon Johnson, Tramon Edmonds, a green prism, Laviska Shenault Jr. That is a nice hit there. Nice one there for the Jags. Alrighty, Gary C. Nice hit there. Get into the reactives. We've got Matt Stafford. Dan Marino. There's a Tom Brady. And a Julio Jones. Will to win, Jerry Rice. Green Prism, Terry Bradshaw, Old School. Hall of Fame, Irvin. A.J. Dillon. Pro Bowl, Kirk Cousins. And a Cam Akers. Alrighty, hanger number 2. Mike Gesicki, Steve Largent, Jarrett Stidham, Eddie George, Aaron Jones, Brian Burns, Jeff Saturday, Odell Beckham, Chandler Jones, Silver Prism, Richard Sherman, Joe Mixon, reactive, Javon Kinlaw, reactive, Daniel Hunter, and a Will Fuller. Jimmy G got game, Joe Namath, old school, KJ Hamler, MVP's Aaron Rodgers, Michael Pittman Jr., and a Justin Herbert NFL debut. Nice hit there for the Chargers. James D with that hit. Alrighty, box number 3. Devin McCourty, Terry McLaurin, Sam Darnold, Mike Williams, Darius Leonard, Deion Sanders, Calvin Johnson, Thurman Thomas, Will Fuller, Chris Jones, Silver Prism, Kyle Rudolph, reactive, Marlon Mack, Pro Bowl Calais Campbell, and a Cooper Kupp. Flea Flicker for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Old school Peyton Manning. MVPs Patty Mahomes. There's a nice one there for the Packers. Frank J. The Jordan Love base. NFL debut Justin Jefferson. And a Jerry Jeudy base. Nice one there for the Broncos. Alrighty, let's get into the blasters. T.Y. Hilton, Gronk, Mike Evans, and a green Prism Singletary. A.J. Green, Chris Jones, A.J. Dillon, and Danny Dimes will the win. Roger Staubach, Aaron Donald, George Kittle, and a Rod Woodson green Prism. Hollywood Brown, Jordy Nelson, Pro Bowl Cousins, and a Flea Flicker for the Packers. Julius Peppers, Adrian Peterson, Warren Sapp. Oh, there is a nice hit for the Chargers. James D. NFL debut, Silver Prism, Justin Herbert. Nice hit there. That was a big hit there. Got a Dwight Freeney, Baker Mayfield, Cam Akers, old school Troy Aikman, Got a Barry Sanders, Cam Jordan, Marcus Mariota, and a green prism, Josh Kelly. Getting nice rookies for the Chargers. Luke Kuechly, Peyton Manning, NFL debut Jalen Hurts, and a touchdown masters Jerry Rice. Alrighty, last box of the break. Good luck to everybody. Larry Fitzgerald, George Kittle, Adrian Peterson, and Matt Judon, green prism. Got a John Elway, Earl Thomas, Keyshawn Vaughn, and a Got Game Bell. Aaron Jones, Warren Sapp, Cam Jordan, and a green prism, Sony Michel. Brian Burns, Jeff Saturday, Pro Bowl Calais Campbell, and a green prism, Got Game, Josh Allen. Not a bad hit there for the Bills. Chandler Jones, Marcus Mariota, Zach Ertz, and Ryan Tannehill, green prism. Odell Beckham, Von Miller, J.K. Dobbins, and a silver NFL debut, Cole Met. Nice hit there for the Bears. And Marlon Mack, Marshall Faulk, Jerry Rice, and an NFL debut, green prism, Cam Akers. Another nice one there for the Rams. And last pack of the break. Got Tyler Eifert, Kyler Murray, NFL debut, Jerry Jeudy, and a will to win, Lamar Jackson. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and go over the hits of the break here. Got the Jordan Love base, Josh Kelly, green prism, Laviska Shenault Jr., NFL debut, Justin Herbert, Tom Brady, reactive, and the hit of the break here, the NFL debut, Justin Herbert, silver prism. Good take on that one, James D. Alrighty, everybody, thanks for joining the breaks. As always, we appreciate it. That's it for Trading Card Club tonight. Everybody have a good night.